Just wanted to make a quick video showing off my Suzuki Trailhopper. It is no longer a MT50. I would call it an MT90 because it's got the engine out of a Suzuki RV90 bolted in there. It's a little bit hacked together right now. The exhaust is from a 80-something Suzuki RM90 or RM100 rather. Still retains the oil injection. I have this little underseat silencer welded to the expansion chamber, and I have the exhaust strap on there just to protect your leg so you don't get burnt. I also added this, it's like a CT style folding handlebar, because I think it's a much better design than the original Trailhopper design that slides into the fork tube. Those would always wobble around and loosen up, whereas these are nice and sturdy. There's just enough room on that upper triple tree to drill some holes and mount that up. Still retains the gas tank in the original position. I'm modifying the top cover so that it'll sort of cut off above the exhaust pipe